Welcome, Juan Santos here, and you are at the right place if you want to write amazing, effective, expert level immigration evaluations. Now, I am a licensed professional counselor. I've been working in the area of immigration evaluations, writing the evaluations, working with patients who have struggled with U visas, VAWAs, different type of cases that we're going to really dive into throughout this course. Now, this is the introductory video where I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and a little bit about the other trainer, Alexander Ife, who is he's an attorney. He's an attorney that works in immigration cases, a colleague of mine, and we've known each other for a really long time, and we've built this relationship. It's a professional relationship, but it's also a relationship that allows us to come together and to provide this education, this course, where you licensed counselors, psychologists, just clinicians who are really interested in learning how to write effective and strong, powerful immigration evaluations can have both sides. You can have that clinical side as far as what type of questions do you need to ask, what's the outline of the evaluation, how to understand certain cases, and then you can have that legal side, and that's where Alex comes in, and he provides that immigration education as far as his legal education, going through law school and learning the basics and the foundation, whether it's a U visa or a VAWA. Now, in the training, what you're going to have is you're going to have different sections. First, we're going to go over common cases that you may work with as a clinician, as a psychologist, when you're providing an evaluation for individuals that may be struggling with a U visa, a VAWA, a T visa, asylum, etc. Then we're going to go into each case. Now, again, these are the common ones that more than likely you're going to work with. More than likely you're going to support throughout the process. And the common ones include a U visa, a T visa, a VAWA, Extreme Hardship Waivers, asylum cases, and special immigration juvenile status case. Now with those, Alex, he's going to be your keynote speaker. He's going to jump in and he's going to give you a live presentation on what you need to know. And that's very important. So this isn't a training that's going to give you a law degree, right? Us as clinicians, we are not attorneys. So Alex is going to jump in and provide the education as far as the principles, the foundation. What do you need to know when working with a U visa case? What do you need to working with a VAWA case? Understanding what the T and the T visa stands for, so that when your patients come in, when your patients are referred through your attorney or self-referred, you have that foundation, you have that knowledge, and it puts you a step ahead of the game. And that also allows you or provides you the opportunity to write a much more effective and powerful evaluation. Now, after those sections in the training, we're going to go into working with the client from start to finish. Now, this process, I jump in with the support of Alex and I break down the process from the intake phone call all the way down to the potential testimony phase. Now, throughout that, we go into the evaluation template. We go into tools to writing an expert level evaluation. We go into common interview questions. Now, with each case, there's many different questions you can ask that change the type of evaluation you're going to write and provide strength to it, provide validity to it. We're going to go into the type of test that you can use. We're going to go into common questions about the evaluation. Now that would mean common questions that clinicians may ask. For instance, a clinician may ask, how many pages should it be? Do I stick to clinical terminology or legal terminology? So we'll go into those type of questions. And then at the end, Alex and I will give you a warm thank you and a warm goodbye, hoping that you're able to exit out of the program with the knowledge, the tools that you need to write an expert level, powerful evaluation. How does that sound to you? Now, throughout the course, I do want to maintain this involvement, this connection that we have. As clinicians, I think that we value and put a lot of energy into meeting individuals and building healthy relationships. So my email is juansantos over at santoscounseling.com. I don't know why I said over at, just juansantos at santoscounseling.com. You're welcome to email me there. On the header, put immigration training, not the header, subject, sorry. On the subject, put immigration training. And then let's start a relationship. Let's start getting to know each other. Any questions, concerns that you may have, send those over to me. All right, friends, good luck. Enjoy the training. The goal that I have for you personally is that you're able to exit out of this training with the tools, the knowledge, the expertise to be able to support your patients, whether it's someone coming with a VAWA case because they've experienced a sense of emotional, physical abuse by their partner, or an individual that has suffered a specific trauma and they're on their pathway to a U visa case. Overall, I want you to be able to understand the legality behind each case and then how you as the clinician fit into that role. And that's what we cover here. All right? Take care.